How to edit Shopify announcement bar. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. So let's just get started right away. And what we need to do is simply be on our homepage in the Shopify admin, then go to online store over here. Then you'll just have to wait for this to load. Once this loads up, we need to click on customize because now we're currently in our store customization. Now, if you are interested in Shopify and want to get your hands on a great deal to get your first month only for €1 and even earn up to $10,000 in credits for your subscription, then click on the link in this YouTube description of this video or the pinned comment down below. And yeah, good luck with your store. Then at the top, we can see the announcement bar, right? So there's a couple of things we can actually change. And the very first one is the text. So here we can see welcome to our store. Now over here on the left, we can see welcome to our store here as well. Click on there. And here we can see the text. So we can change this to whatever we would like to, as well as add a link, which is actually really, really useful. Because let's say you were to have, I don't know, a fan page, and you were to say, check out our new YouTube video, and then add a YouTube video link. But what you can also do is type in something like sign up to our newsletter, and then add a link to a page right over here. So let's say you were to go to pages, and then this would be the newsletter page. Then you can link people exactly to that specific page because now it is a clickable link pretty much. So if you click on save and then click on here, people will be brought to a specific page. So that is how to change the announcement bar text. Now we also have some other options like changing the color, for example. So over here we have the color scheme. It's currently set to color scheme 1. My whole website is in the color scheme 1. So in order to change colors, what we need to do first is change this to a different color scheme. And then afterwards, edit the colors. Why? Well, if I were to change the colors right now of color scheme 1, it will affect everything on my website because every single page is in the color scheme 1. So it might be a little weird for you right now, but just click on any of these color schemes. I'm just going to select this one. This has already immediately changed the announcement bar color. But what we can do is click on edit. And then we need to, I believe, change background. Yes, that is the one that is the color of the announcement bar. So let me just make it red, for example, and then hit save. Now, like I said, your whole website follows color scheme 1. So when I change only this specific part to color scheme 5, and then edit the color, nothing else will be affected. So that is it. That is how to edit your Shopify announcement bar.